Aloha. Well, I guess it's been 162 days ago that I planted some bird of paradise. And I did some weed eating yesterday up here where the planting is going on. Well, I did planting twice. Oh, that's a pretty silly dog there. So the first day I planted, I did about 100 feet. Something like that. Second day, I did just as much. So it starts out up here in this corner, and I did just root stock. That's all it was. And all this green here going around this little bend, a little question mark horseshoe, whatever. And then off over up this way. This is about what the second planting was. Right in here. This in the back is rattlesnake heliconia. Oh, there's one of them right there. So that's what they call rattlesnake heliconia. One that's still a flower and one that's wilted away. But back to this bird of paradise. I tried to count. There's just too darn many of them. There's probably over 200 of them in here. And they haven't grown too bad in the past 5 months, 162 days. Oh no, chasing pigs now. That poor puppy of mine, he'll chase those wild pigs out there in the woods and take me hours to get him back. But as you can see, these bird of paradise are still pretty young, pretty small. Try to get a measurement for you here in a second. Do a little bend down and see if we can find something to get a good check. Well, nope, I'm not going to be able to reach it. Over 6 inches for that one. The one in the background's got to be a foot tall. So, just wanted to do a catch up on this. It's not anywhere close to flowering, but we've got quite a few of them in a pretty nice long run. It'll be kind of like a hedge when it's all done. So that's the update for the bird of paradise. And my big question mark, will they bloom? Aloha for now, everybody. Have a good week.